Engineers in the United States model bird people's feet to enhance drones. Stanford University engineers recently created robotic bird people-like feet that can be attached to small quadcopter drones, enabling them to catch and carry objects and successfully land on trees and varying terrains. Extensive iterations were required to perfect the stereotyped nature-inspired aerial grasper or snag. The design was ultimately modeled on the peregrine falcon people's legs and will allow search and rescue drones to save battery power while on missions by perching or resting in different locations as opposed to hovering in the air. The new technology could assist environmentalists in collecting data more easily in forests, among other possible usages. What an amazing feat, engineers from Stanford University, to learn from our beautiful bird people friends and thus improve technology in the loving guidance of the Providence. May we continue to evolve in a positive manner with respectful inspiration from the natural world around us.